In the near future, Apple is set to release its highly anticipated Vision Pro headset, marking the dawn of a new era for computing, designed to keep users present in the physical world while exploring the digital one. Vision Pro offers a glimpse into the limitless possibilities of spatial computing. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything we know about this revolutionary device, from its design and its features to its compatibility and jaw-dropping experiences. Alright folks, exciting news ahead. Apple's Vision Pro is coming to the market next year, and we can't wait to get our hands on it. They're aiming for a spring 2024 release in the US, but other countries might need to hold their horses a bit longer. Get ready for a spectacular launch event. Just like when they introduced the legendary Apple Watch, this is gonna be one epic ride. And we're thrilled to have you along for the journey. Alright, let's talk bucks. The Vision Pro comes in with a price tag of $3,499. And yep, it's no pocket change. But here's the good news. There might be a more budget-friendly version on the horizon. Word on the street is that Apple's brewing up a cheaper Apple Vision, or Apple Vision 1 headset, aiming to reach more people out there. So get ready to explore what this affordable gem could bring to the table. And maybe, just maybe, you'll get your hands on some top-notch tech without breaking the bank. Keep those eyes peeled for the latest updates on this exciting possibility coming your way in 2025. Apple's gone all out to make the Vision Pro your comfiest companion yet. The secret's in its modular design that adapts perfectly to each user, giving you a custom-fit experience like no other. Say goodbye to those pesky discomforts and hello to pure immersion. We're diving deep into the materials and innovations that make this bad boy a wearable marvel. From a custom aluminum alloy frame to flexible straps and cushioned headbands, they've got it all covered. So, get ready to strap in for a cozy ride and discover why the Vision Pro is all about comfort without compromising on cutting-edge tech. It's time to experience the future in style. Everybody wearing glasses, rejoice! Apple's got your back with the Vision Pro. They've cooked up some awesome customized optical inserts by Zeiss to fix your vision needs. No more struggling with blurry screens or fumbling with glasses. These inserts snap right onto your headset's lenses, giving you crystal clear visuals without any hassle. It's like magic for your eyes. This sweet feature guarantees a tailor-made and super comfy experience for all you glasses wearers out there. Say hello to a whole new world of clarity and convenience. Before we delve deeper into the wonders of Apple Vision Pro, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Also, subscribe to MetaGen for more exciting tech updates and innovative stories. Alright, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into some juicy speculation. Apple's been hush-hush about compatibility, but guess what? Our buddy analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, dropped a hint. Our buddy analyst, Ming-Chi Kuo, dropped a hint. Ming-Chi Kuo dropped a hint. He's pointing at a possible link-up between the Vision Pro and the soon-to-come iPhone 15. Imagine that! A match made in tech heaven. This could mean some serious next-level stuff for spatial computing, folks. Seamless and mind-blowing user experiences on the horizon. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the potential of this dream team and what it could mean for the future of tech. It's all about pushing boundaries, and Apple's got us on the edge of our seats with this one. Now, let's cover the Vision Pro's powerhouse engine. Unleash the beast, powered by the M2 processor and the super cool R1 chip. We're talking unrivaled computing performance here. The Vision Pro sees everything with its eye tracking system and advanced sensors. Your every move is read, and bam! Intuitive and lag-free interactions all the way. And don't even get us started on the visuals. You will be getting a whopping 23 million pixels and 4K displays that'll make the digital world come alive. It's the ultimate tech wizardry, and you won't want to miss this. Alright, audiophiles and future trendsetters, listen up. The Vision Pro is about to blow your mind with its personalized spatial audio. Picture this. It tunes into your head and ear shape for a mind-blowing surround sound experience. Talk about being in the heart of the action. But wait, there's more. The captivating eyesight feature. It's not just about what you see, but also how others see you. The Vision Pro projects realistic eye perspectives to the people around you, making it a whole new level of coolness. And hey, your security's on lockdown too. Thanks to Optic ID, this beast recognizes your iris like a pro. Say goodbye to worries and hello to a seamless and super safe experience. So, get ready to rock the world with Vision Pro's immersive sound and eye-catching technology. It's all happening, and you're invited. Want to see more reviews and in-depth analysis of the hottest tech trends? Hit that subscribe button and become a member of our tech-loving community. Alright, tech enthusiast, get ready to rock with the Vision Pro's game-changing Vision OS. It's the key to a whole new universe of possibilities. Think watching epic movies, jamming to your favorite tunes, and scrolling through mind-blowing photos. You can even team up and collaborate on presentations like a pro. It's a creativity explosion, peeps. We're diving deep into the app world with an exciting lineup. Get ready for your all-time faves and some fresh newbies. The Vision OS has got you covered with an app paradise you won't want to leave. So, gear up to explore, create, and get lost in the tech wonderland that is the Vision Pro. The future is here, and it's looking mighty fine. In this journey through the future of spatial computing, we've explored Apple Vision Pro's release date, pricing, design, compatibility, cutting-edge features, and the immersive experiences it offers. From the magic of spatial audio to breathtaking visual displays, Vision Pro is a true game changer. So, stay tuned for its grand arrival, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech wonders and updates. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when Apple Vision Pro drops.